Good morning, children. Today's lesson number is 20, our emotional world. Okay? Can you tell me the names of emotionals, another emotionals, that is forgiveness, joy, sorrow, jealousy, sacrifice, fear, disappointment are some of our emotions. These are some of our emotions. Good, children, good. Different types of emotions. One is laughing, how to study, how to study. Okay, then boy is getting angry, ये डर गया is afraid. Okay, this is all our type of emoji. Then human nature aspect, like that human beings are emotional, rational. They are emotional and as well as practical. Rational means practical thinking. Some are persons are emotional, उसको कुछ भी बोल दे गलत वो झट से रोना चालू करता है. Okay, we should be able to streak, we should be able to streak a balance between our thoughts and emotions. It is natural to feel sad. It is natural to feel sad if somebody hurts you. अगर किसी ने आपको हर्ट किया है इट्स नेचुरल तुम लोग हर्ट हर्ट होते हो और यू कैन बिकम अ सैड यू विल बिकम अ सैड यू फील अ सैड however we should control our sorrow अपना दुख कंट्रोल करना आना चाहिए सीखना चाहिए okay? We should not lose our temper when we get angry. हमारा टेम्पर हम लोग को खोना नहीं चाहिए when we are angry. Temper means what? अपना गुस्सा कंट्रोल में रखना चाहिए. Okay? It is natural to cry or to possessive, but we should not become greedy. We are the possessive person. Someone. If we are loving to anyone, we are possessive. क्यों किधर गया वो किससे बात कर रहा है? With whom he is talking? With whom आउटसाइड क्या कर रहा है वो क्या कर रहा होगा दिस इज ऑल पॉजिटिवनेस व्हेन यू आर गोइंग होम यू आर कॉलिंग एंड आस्किंग सामने वाला आदमी बहुत गुस्सा आ जाता है कि क्या ये बार बार मुझे तंग कर रहा है ओके सो यू शुड मीन्स कंट्रोल यू शुड नॉट बी अ ग्रीडी you should express your love nicely and all that don't be so possessive we will be able to control our emotions think properly. We can control our emotions if we think properly. Okay. Emotional adjustment is ability to control emotions and express the same in a reasonable manner. Our personality becomes balanced. Our personality becomes balanced when we learn to cope up with our emotions. This increases our ability to understand others and overcome adverse conditions. This person does not blame others for his failure. We should not blame others for our failure. अगर हम लोग फेल हुए नहीं, वो तेरे से मैं फेल हुआ don't blame others. This is our fault. This is our own fault that we have failed. Why? Because we have not studied nicely. We have not paid attention while teacher is teaching and all that. अपने ऊपर है, दूसरे ऊपर don't blame success appreciation उसके ऊपर jealous why this is our emotion ये अपना thinking है this is all in our mind और ये सब कुछ कहाँ चलता है अपने mind में चला रहता है okay balanced person is able to improve relations with others by being happy being flexible stubborn stubborn means क्या हट्टीपना okay not stubborn okay anger, sadness, happiness are human emotions. Anger is an emotion just like happiness or sadness. All of us get angry about something at some point of time. कभी ना कभी हम लोग एंग्री होते इवन स्मॉल चिल्ड्रन ऑल्सो गेट एंग्री इफ वी डो नॉट गिव देम टॉयज एंड ऑल दैट यू नो दैट वी कैनॉट इफ वी डोंट गिव देम चॉकलेट्स कुछ भी नहीं दिया उनको वो गुस्सा आके चिल्लाना चल नहीं मुझे अभी चाहिए आई वांट नाउ वो अपना पैर पटाना चल started sleeping on the ground and all that. Okay, having a emotions. उसका emotions है. Okay, get vicious, or insulted. Similarly, you also get angry, irritated. Okay, if we often or cannot control our anger, it can be adverse effect of our body and mind. अगर हम लोग we cannot control our mind, cannot control our anger, it can mind also increase Children, don't use that emojis now. Enough. Enough, I said. Nobody is going to send messages now. Sangeeta, I will get 30. Please take out Sangeeta out of the lecture. We become short tempered and stubborn. Our attitude of cooperation and understanding decrease and we hurt others. We face, we face consequences such as headache, loss of sleep, and dullness. Headache, loss of sleep, and dullness. We are getting angry. If we become stubborn, stubborn means hatti, okay, and short temper, we hurt others as we are unable to understand or cooperate with others too. Now we'll see about the to be aware of our flow. Be aware of our flows. Different, okay. Children are sorry, children. Again, I am repeating this paragraph for you. And literally, I am so sorry. This was done with me. Okay. Again, awareness of our flows. Awareness of our flows. Children heard to say, my handwriting is beautiful. I am good at maths. I like science or I like poetry. Okay, they are very much interested in saying this name. मुझे ये पसंद है, मुझे वो पसंद है. They are thinking, keep thinking. This means that people likes and dislikes and capabilities can be different. Just as we gradually understand what we can do, we must also understand what we are not able to do. We may be good at some subject, arts or sports, and just as bad at another. We must know our flaws as well as our talent so that we can improve upon them. Just because we are unable to do something, it does not means we stop trying to excel at what we can do. Now listen it carefully, this line, children. Just because we are unable to do something, just because we are unable to do something or the work, it does not mean ऐसा नहीं है तो क्यों हम लोग को ट्राई करने से रुक जाए. Okay, it does not mean that we can stop doing that work. We will do it. Try, do something. Okay, at what we can do. We can change ourselves. We can change ourselves. Okay, no individual is perfect in all respect. No person is entirely good or entirely bad. Okay, we must always think about the good qualities or virtues in our friends first. We must help each other to get rid of our flaws. If we speak about our flaws as openly as we speak about our talent, will be our advantages. It will be our advantage. Aspect of our nature that bother us and other can be changed. However, we ourselves must try hard to change them. Otherwise, this aspect may take the shape of flaws in our personality. Now, children, tell me one thing. What type of anger do you have? तुम लोग के तुम्हारे पास तो एंग्री होगा. You are also getting angry. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Then, okay, good. Okay. Now tell me this. I'm giving you an example. Okay. You are polite. Purvika, you are polite. Very good. Purvika is polite. Very nice. Sunita wants to go to market with her mother. Her mother leaves early. Sunita got angry. She know that what's the reason behind that? Why the mother gets first? Why the mother lives first to the market and all that? Okay. Sunita is angry with her mother, but asked her mother why she left early. She asked her mother why she left early. No, she started shouting. She started yelling on her mother. Why you gone first and all that, all that. Okay. Sunita angry subsides when she learned the reason. Where if you know the reason, you will get angry on your mother. Yes or no? No, very good. And this was our chapter over here. We have completed with our chapter. This I hope everyone understood our emotions world.